is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Cubis Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Hyundai Getz 3-door hatch, stock reference number 4006. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight, does have some light sun cracks. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door has 3 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Right door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right front 14-inch steel rim with average tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack MP3 CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.